Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we will discuss about percentages, discounts, etc. Let's see the first question. Marker saved $10 because he bought a baseball glove that was on sale for 40% off. 40% off means 40% is the discount. What was the original price of the baseball glove? So whenever something is discounted whenever something is discounted by 40% means that price is the 60% of the original price. I hope you understand. When something is discounted by 40%, then the new price, the reduced price is 60% of the original price. So now we write one equation that 60% of something was 10. 60% of something was 10. What is the 100% of it? What is the 100% of that same thing? That's what we want to know. I hope you understood what I'm saying. So now I don't see any multiple here. Well, I don't see a multiple here. Um, I do see a multiple here, but that will not help us. So let's do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication where we can take this as x and let's do a cross multiplication. Percentage we don't require. We can remove the percentage because this is also percent and this is also percent. We will remove it. So x equals 100 times 10 over 60. 100 times 10 over 60. 0, 0 cancel. So what we need to find is 100 divided by 60. 100 divided by 60. So this will be 1 and 40 will be 6. And then you put a point and then again 6, 7. So the original price of the item is $16.67. This long division you can do like this also, like 106 and then 40. So 6 times 6 is 36. So the remainder is 4, but we don't have any number to pull down. You put a point and then you put a 0 here. So again 6. And then it will go on and on like 6 and 6 and 6. So we round it to 6, 7. Understood? Next, of the students in marching band, 55% plan to go to the school dance. If there are 110 students in the marching band that are going to the dance, how many students will go to the dance? Now, 55% plan to go to the school dance. If there are 110 students in the marching band, how many total students are there? How many students are there? So marching band, 55% of something is 110. Now this is very easy to solve. 100% of the same thing is how much? 55% are going for the dance. Of the students in the marching band, 55% plan to go for the school dance. If there are 110 students in the marching band that are going for the dance, how many students are going for the dance? Okay, so I think we have to do another method. Of the students in the marching band, 55% plan to go to the school dance. There are 100 students in the marching band. How many are going for the dance? Okay, so basically this idea will not work. We need to find 55% of something. We need to find 55% of 110 because the marching band has 110 students, out of which how many are going for the dance? They're asking. 55% of 110 are going for the dance. All right, 55%. Percent means you have to divide by 100 times 110. 0, 0 cancel. 5 times 2, 5 times 11, and then that's it. We cannot do much about it. 11 times 11 is 121 divided by 2. 55% of this guy. It's gonna be like approximate answer because you cannot get the exact thing. So this will be 60.5. Obviously, I'm not going to take 60.5. What we will do is we will round it up to the nearest whole number, 61. Because students cannot be half, So say 61 students will go for the dance. Clear? Let's see the next one. Wow, these are very easy peasy questions. Reciprocal of a number. Reciprocal of a number is very easy. You just need to invert the number. Invert it, flip it. So reciprocal of this number is 2 by 1. Reciprocal of this is 5 by 1. Or you just write 5. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. What number multiplied by 3 by 5 has the product of 1? Product means multiplication. So 3 by 5 times something equals 1. 3 by 5 times something equals 1. So how much is this? This is something. Now see, we want the answer as 1. So basically this is the reciprocal from the above idea. Reciprocal. So this has to be 5 and this has to be 3. Because you see 3 and 3 will cancel. 5 and 5 will cancel. So this has to be 5 over 3. So the answer is 5 over 3, the reciprocal. Similarly, this one also the same. What number when multiplied with 7 by 10 has a product of 1? The answer is 10 by 7. Very straightforward. Reciprocal. A teacher is making bags of different colors of modeling clay. The table shows the amount of each color she has available. This pounds. This much pounds they are available. Yellow is 3 by 4. Okay. The table shows the amount of each color she has available. Each color will be divided into 3 by 16 pound bags. How many more bags of purple can she make than yellow? So basically you have to divide it. You have to divide each color into 3 by 16. Like divide each color by 3 by 16. So let's take the bags of purple. Purple 15 by 16, when I'm going to divide by 3 by 16. You have to use the idea of keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. So 15 times 16 by 3. 16 cancel. 5 bags you will get. When you divide it by 3 by 16, you get 5 bags of purple color. And yellow, which is 3 by 4, and you divide it by 3 by 16 bags, you get keep, change, flip. 3 and 3 will divide each other. 4 times 4 is 16, so you get 4 bags of yellow. Now the question is, how many more, how many less? You have to do minus. How many more of purple than yellow? So the final answer for this is 5 minus 4, which is 1 bag extra. So you get 1 bag extra of purple. Matthew is making bookmarks with different colored ribbon. The amount of each color he has is shown in the table. Each bookmark will be 1 by 6 yard long. How many more orange bookmarks can she make than the exactly the same? Each bookmark will be 1 by 6 divided. Divide this length by this length. Exactly the same question. So aqua 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 6. Keep, change, flip. I can cancel this by 2. 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So you get 9 by 2. 9 by 2, I can also write it as 4.5 bookmarks you will get. And then orange. Maybe orange is more because they are saying how many more orange. Orange will be more. Let's see, 9 by 10 divided by 1 by 6. So 9 by 10 times 6 by 1. 2 times 3 and 2 times 5. That's the only thing we can do. We get 27 by 5, which when you do long division should be 5.4. So how many more, how many less? Let's subtract it. 5.4 of orange and aqua 4.5. When you subtract 0.9. The answer, final answer is 0.9. Can the quotient of the two positive fractions be less than 1? Can the quotient of two positive fractions? Yes, it can be less than 1. Why not? You can make an example, but this they will not ask in MCQ. This is a discussion type of question, so this they are not going to ask in MCQ. The length of a race is 1 by 10 mile. Andrew wants to place a flag every 1/3 mile. He has 3 flags every 1/3 mile, so you have to divide it. I will just do it, keep, change, flip, or let's do it anyway. Divided by 1 by 3, keep, change, flip. This is 27 by 10. 27 by 10 is like 2.7. He has 3 flags. Does he have enough? Yes, 3 flags are enough. Yes. Because he wants 2.7 flag, he has 3. So, yeah, it's enough. Yeah, so this comes to the last one. Explain how to find the distance between 1 and -3 on a number line. So this 0 and 1, -1, -2 and -3. So the distance between -3 and 1, just count the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance is 4 units. Describe a real world example. They will not ask this in MCQ. At midnight, the outside temperature was 0 °F. By 6 a.m. the temperature had dropped, yani negative. Then the temperature has raised by 10 degrees. What is the temperature in at the noon? So first it has become -4, and then it has raised by 10. So drop, yani minus, raised means plus, and so finally you have to do 10 minus 4, which is 6 °F. What represents 0 in this solution? 0 means not dropped and not increased, so 0 means neutral temperature. The outside temperature was 0 °F. 0 °F is the base. Up, whenever something increases, plus, something decreases is minus. He wants to make a withdrawal of $30. Will this checking account balance be represented by positive or negative? Yes, negative, because when you say 28 and -30, it will become -2. So it will become a negative integer. After the withdrawal, it will become negative, debit, -$2. And that brings an end to this video. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can approach me on Telegram and I'll be more than happy to help you. See you later. Bye bye.